Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we are diving deep into a detailed comparison of two popular power supplies from Thermaltake, the SMART 600W and the SMART BX1 750W. Both units are designed for budget-conscious users, but they cater to different needs. The SMART 600W is an entry-level option, while the BX1 750W offers enhanced capacity and efficiency. Let's see how they compare in key areas such as power output, efficiency, and connector options. Stay tuned! First, let's talk about power output. The Thermaltake SMART 600W provides a maximum output of 600 watts, which is suitable for basic builds. In contrast, the SMART BX1 750W offers a higher capacity of 750 watts, making it ideal for mid-range to high-end systems that require more power. This extra wattage allows for better performance, especially when using demanding components. Next, we examine the efficiency ratings. The SMART 600W is certified with the 80 PLUS standard rating, which guarantees at least 80% efficiency under typical load. However, the SMART BX1 750W boasts an 80 PLUS bronze certification, achieving up to 88% efficiency. This means the BX1 not only saves more energy, but also generates less heat, leading to improved performance and longevity. Finally, let's look at the connector options. The SMART 600W comes with two 6+2 pin PCIe connectors, which may limit its use in higher-end setups. On the other hand, the SMART BX1 750W provides four 6+2 pin PCIe connectors, allowing for greater flexibility and compatibility with powerful graphics cards or dual-PU configurations. This makes the BX1 a better choice for gamers and enthusiasts looking to build a more robust system. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake SMART 600W and SMART BX1 750W have their strengths and weaknesses. The SMART 600W is a great budget option for basic builds, while the SMART BX1 750W offers superior power output and efficiency, making it more suitable for demanding systems. If you're looking for a reliable power supply that can grow with your needs, the BX1 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.